Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Moto Studio. This time I want to present the new powerful 2022 Honda CBF 190TR. Honda has been progressively increasing its neo-retro motorbike inventory, with the all-new CBF 190TR being the most recent addition. It has a neo-retro cafe racer design that appears to be heavily influenced by its larger brothers. The Honda CBF 190TR is propelled by a single-cylinder, air-cooled engine producing 16.6 horsepower. It has a premium-looking appearance as well as a plethora of functions. Despite drawing heavily on the larger CB300R for design influence, the CBF 190TR manages to create its own aesthetic statement. It distinguishes itself from its larger brothers due to its small tail section design, cafe racer style single-piece seat, and rear mudguard with number plate holder. Honda outfitted this neo-retro street fighter with superior inverted forks up front and a monoshock absorber in the back. The Honda CBF 190TR has single-channel ABS and pedal-type disc brakes with Nissin calipers on both wheels. Its curb weight of 142 kilograms makes it very nimble and simple to manage. The seat height of the CBF 190TR is 769 millimeters, and the fuel tank capacity is 10.5 liters. A single-cylinder, air-cooled 184.4 cubic centimeters engine powers this neo-retro Honda Street Fighter. It lacks a liquid cooling unit, as does its counterpart, the new Benelli 180S, but it does have a fuel injection system. The Honda CBF 190TR includes a digital LCD instrument dashboard as well as a complete LED lighting system. The CBF 190TR offers all of the features that youthful consumers search for in entry-level motorcycles. It has a very sleek and luxurious appearance, and Honda sells this bike in a variety of color combinations. It has a smooth and dependable single-cylinder engine that delivers impressive low and mid-range performance. This neo-retro street fighter has several quality features such as USD forks, a digital console, LED lighting, a cafe racer-style seat, and so forth. The Honda CBF 190TR looks nice, and if it is released in India, it would undoubtedly take the market by storm.